Hi everyone, thank you very much for joining us today. We're going to learn how to use Google Family Link. In this opportunity, I would like to tell you that this is a application in which you can find the location, also the movements to find out what your child are looking for on the web, such as on applications. And you only have to start creating your account by your personal email. As you can see, I'm using right here. This is something that is going to show you that it can do, like looking for the location or the applications that the children are using. In this case, you can see it, how it's moving this kid. So this is some, okay, there we go. This is something that you can do without calling because you can see where they are. And also, you and your kids are going to have privacy. Don't forget that this is something very important. And also, you have to turn on your GPS in order that can see or read the location where they are. So here we go. It's going to ask you to download another application, which is Pingo, and that's it. For the second part, and the second part, once you have downloaded this application, you're going to go and look for your kid. So you are going to be seeing that they sent you already an email, and you have to confirm your email account. And once you confirm this, it's going to be connected to your information, to your data. And also, you're going to see that you have to download. You can just get the notifications on your cell phone too. You can download Pingo from Google App or App Store. And also, you're going to be finding out where your kid is. Would you like to try it? Don't wait too much. It's going to be very helpful for you and your family. Thank you for watching. See you next time.